Welcome to Innovin Foods. This evening, let's make crispy Suji rolls, golden outside, soft inside, and packed with flavor potato filling. A perfect homemade snack for tea time. Let's start the recipe. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add half teaspoon cumin. One cup water. Half teaspoon salt. When it starts boiling, add half cup suji. Keep stirring until the mixture separates from the pan. Stir suji continuously to avoid lumps. Transfer to a plate and cool for 5 minutes. For flour slurry, 1/4 cup flour, add 1/3 cup water. Mix well. Keep aside 2 tablespoon onion, 1 green chilli, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon ginger. Add 2 boiled mashed potatoes, 3 tablespoon corn flour, 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Mix well. Grease oil on your hands. Take some mixture. Make shape. Cool suji mixture slightly before shaping. Dip roll into the flour slurry. Seal rolls properly for neat frying. Coat with breadcrumbs. Fry in medium heated oil until golden brown and crispy. Suji gives a crisp outer texture when fried. Potato makes the roll soft and flavorful. Breadcrumb coating adds extra crunch. This snack pairs perfectly with evening tea. Fry on medium heat for even crispiness. Remove and serve hot. Suji is light and easy to digest. Homemade snacks avoid preservatives. Potatoes provide instant energy. Best enjoyed fresh and hot. Your crispy suji rolls are crunchy, tasty, and perfect for evening snacks. Serve them with chutney or ketchup. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Innovin Foods for more quick snack recipes.